You know, when it comes to weight loss, it's not just about cutting calories or skipping meals. It's about finding the right exercises that not only burn calories, but also keep you engaged and motivated. Let's talk about the 8 most effective weight loss exercises that can really make a difference. First off, we have running. There's something liberating about hitting the pavement, feeling the wind against your face. It's a high-impact workout that torches calories and boosts your metabolism. Whether you're sprinting or jogging, it's a fantastic way to shed pounds. Next up, we have cycling. Whether you're on a stationary bike or cruising through the park, cycling is a low-impact exercise that's easy on the joints but hard on calories. You can adjust the intensity, making it perfect for beginners or seasoned athletes. And let's not forget about swimming. It's a full-body workout that engages almost every muscle group. Plus, the water provides resistance, making your body work harder while keeping you cool. It's refreshing and effective, especially on those hot summer days. Now, let's talk about strength training. Many people overlook this, thinking it's just for building muscle. But strength training is crucial for weight loss, because it increases your resting metabolic rate. Lifting weights or using resistance bands helps you build lean muscle, which burns more calories even when you're at rest. And don't underestimate the power of high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. This workout alternates between short bursts of intense activity and rest. It's efficient, effective, and can be done in as little as 20 minutes. You'll burn calories long after you've finished, thanks to the afterburn effect. Then there's yoga. Now, I know what you're thinking. Yoga isn't exactly a calorie-burning powerhouse, but it improves flexibility, reduces stress, and can lead to better eating habits. Plus, certain styles, like vinyasa or power yoga, can really get your heart rate up. And let's not forget about jumping rope. It's a childhood favorite that's surprisingly effective for weight loss. Just a few minutes of jumping can elevate your heart rate and burn a significant amount of calories. It's portable, inexpensive, and can be done almost anywhere. Finally, we have walking. Yes, walking. It's simple, but it's incredibly effective. A brisk walk can help you burn calories, improve cardiovascular health, and clear your mind. It's a great way to start if you're new to exercise or looking for something sustainable. So, there you have it, the 8 most effective weight loss exercises. It's about finding what you enjoy, mixing it up, and staying consistent. Because, at the end of the day, it's not just about losing weight. It's about creating a healthier lifestyle that you can maintain for the long haul.